Hello! Yeah, I thought I'd show you some of my lanyards, some of the bits and pieces I've been making. But one of my best sellers at the moment seems to be these bullet-filled lanyards. And I thought I'd show you how I make them. Hello. Here, if you go onto my Instagram page, it's lanyards_by_fruitcake, and you'll see the full selection. I'm selling these for a tenner each, so, you know, not expensive. A tenner each, and that includes postage, PayPal. Thanks. But I thought I'd show you how I make them. Obviously I take the casing, but I have to drill the cap out. 5mm drill there. Then I take a length. I'm going to use the same. I call that Golden Desert. It's nice. It looks really good. So, what I'm going to do first is just thread it. Okay. Take the center of mass, which is that, and then give her a wee pinch, pull her up. Now I can get rid of that. That's just a bit of the Kevlar out of the center strand. So I decide on my length. Now, if you want it for a zip tie, you're going to need to pull it over and let it go like that, and then that'll create your loop. So that's what I'm making. So I get my length. So now my first knot wants to be there. So start tying. First knot. Nice and tight. Get that out of the way. Bring that down. Tighten her up. And then just start with normal Cobra stitch. Cobra knot. Making sure tight. And that's the difference. My lanyards are incredibly tight. Now you're probably going to fast forward through this bit because it's going to take me a few minutes just to get up to the end. I should have some music in the background, shouldn't I? Just to keep your interest peaked. But here, the radio show's going really well. Force Radio. I don't know if you've heard me. I do the drive time show, the drive time session from 4 o'clock till 7 o'clock. Big Phil Campion, Big Phil, he does the breakfast show. So he gets your day off to a blinder at 6 o'clock. We had some top-notch shout-outs. Bear Grylls, Billy Billingham, just to mention a couple. Genuine guys who genuinely listen to the show, which is brilliant. 177 countries. So, do you want to see the progress so far? I wonder if that brass is actually coming through. So, put another few on there. Always push it down, make it tighter. Let's go a couple more, just for effect. And now the important bit, the cutting and the burning. So yeah, there we go. That's all the knots done. Bit of room. So now I need my glasses for this bit. Are you ready for the sexy bit? Oh yeah. I like a bit of sexy, bit of knife porn, don't we? So there. There. Fluff her up. Fluff her up. Wet finger, dab. Wet finger, dab. There we have it. I call that my gold desert storm. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. Yeah, please check out my Instagram page. It is lanyards_by_fruitcake_. But I'm sure you'll find me before that. So yeah, check me out. Tenner posted. It's a gift. Right. Crack on.